What's a secret that you hold? One Father's Day. Years ago, I got a bag for the presents I bought for my dad. The bag had a picture attached that looked like a drawing a kid would have made of him and his dad sitting on a cliff with the words "Dad's Rock" in handwriting that was actually pretty similar to mine. I jokingly crossed out the artist's name on the bag and replaced it with mine. The next day, my dad called me from my mom's house saying he found the bag while searching the trash for a misplaced piece of mail. Turns out, he never noticed my signature at the bottom and said he loved that I went through the effort to make something for Father's Day. For some reason, I just went with it and said that I drew it. He ended up taking it to a shop and framing it. He made a second copy and has kept it on the fridge for 9 years. He always brags about it to any guests that come over. It is my greatest fear that someday someone will recognize the drawing from a bag they bought at Target.